In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. Channels help you organize conversations, files, and meetings around specific topics, so creating the right one in the right place keeps your team focused and your notifications manageable. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can use the desktop app or a web browser, whatever you prefer, and sign in with your account. Once you're in, give the interface a moment to load so you can see the navigation on the left. Next, click Communities in the left-hand menu. Communities is where group spaces live in this version of Teams, and it's the hub for the conversations and resources you share with others. If you don't immediately see it, look for the panel with your chats and groups and expand it. From there, select the community or team where you want this new channel to live. Choose the one that matches the project, department, or topic you're organizing. Picking the correct home up front saves you from moving things later and makes it easy for members to find what they need. Inside that community, look for the option to add a channel. You'll see a plus sign labeled Add Channel near the list of existing channels or in the header. Click it to open the channel creation window. This is where you set up the space your group will use to collaborate. Type a clear, specific name for your channel. Aim for a name that describes the purpose at a glance, like budget reviews, release planning, or help desk. Consistent naming makes search and notifications more useful. Keep it concise and avoid special characters so it's easy to scan on mobile. When you're happy with the name, select Add. Teams will create the channel and place it under the community you selected. You'll see it appear in the channel list right away. That confirms everything worked. If others are members of the community, they'll now be able to see and access this channel too. That's it. You've created a new channel in Microsoft Teams. Remember, channels are most effective when each one has a single clear purpose, so create them for recurring topics rather than one-off conversations. If you need to adjust the name later, you can edit the channel from its menu without starting over. Before you move on, consider letting your members know why this channel exists and what should be posted there. A short welcome message or pinned guidelines can keep discussions focused and save everyone time as the channel grows.